So this is a continuation of last week's video where I discussed the best versus the worst floss for your teeth. If you guys missed it, make sure to check it out. I'll drop a link down below in the description. So in that video, I didn't really talk about flossers or plackers, these things. So that's what I'll do in this video. Hi guys, I'm Christina, the hygienist, here to give quality answers to your dental questions. Today's question is, are flossers better than regular floss? My answer is no. No, not at all. In fact, I really don't like flossers for two reasons. Reason number one, let me actually show you why. Just bear with me here. So if you guys didn't catch my drift, what I'm really trying to say is using a flosser is like using the same snotty tissue over and over again for your nose. You're using one little piece of floss like this big to clean in between all your teeth. So really all you're doing is just spreading the plaque from tooth to tooth to tooth. That's not really getting anything clean. The second thing I don't like about flossers is that, again, you're using this little piece of floss stuck between two pieces of rigid plastic. So it doesn't really hug the teeth or wrap around the teeth as well as regular string floss where you can like really hug each tooth versus the rigid piece of flosser, like this big piece of floss here. It just kind of doesn't do the same job. Plus, with string floss, instead of just going up and down like with a flosser, I'm able to get in between the teeth, and as I wipe, I also kind of slide the floss out, which is why I use a long piece to just keep sliding it out and guiding the plaque out from in between my teeth. Can't really do that with flossers. Now hear me out guys, if flossers are the only thing you're willing to use to get in between your teeth, by all means please use flossers. I'd rather you use those than nothing at all. In fact, that's exactly what I tell my patients. I always recommend string floss, but if they prefer flossers, I'll go with it. If that's the case, I offer a couple of tips when using flossers. Tip number one, use more than one, maybe like one for the top and one for the bottom, so at least you get sort of a fresh piece for half your mouth. And then the other kind of more important tip is, as you're flossing with flossers, maybe stand in front of a sink and kind of rinse it under the sink as you go, so you're more or less not spreading the plaque around from tooth to tooth. Anyway, if you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. I also do free giveaways once a month to my subscribers, so don't miss out on that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and take care of your teeth.